Hello and welcome to McLaren. In this video, we will provide a tutorial on the connections and functions on McLaren's cold planer attachment on your Kubota machine. Once you unbox your cold planer, you will see that everything is included and ready to use. On this particular attachment, no assembly is required. Setup. To remove the cold planer from the pallet, hook up the cold planer directly to your machine via quick attach. Once the planer is attached, make sure to connect the case drain line first, then connect the male and female couplers, and finally connect the attachment wire harness to your machine. Locate the yellow tank on the left side of the planer and fill up with water. Notice there's a sight glass on the side of the tank. This must be filled completely. Next, functions. McLaren's cold planer has the following functions: depth adjustment, angle tilt, side shift, water sprayer. Now we can move forward and demonstrate each function for your Kubota. Let's begin. The depth adjusters controls how deep the drum goes into the asphalt. To activate this function, do the following. Turn the auxiliary button to engage your flow. On the right joystick, push the left button to engage continuous flow. The left depth adjuster raises with the number 1 function button and lowers with the number 2 function button. The right depth adjuster raises with the number 4 function button and it lowers with the number 3 function button. Engage the number 5 function button to switch your function layout. Now, function button 1 slides left and function button 2 slides right. Function button 3 tilts left and function button 4 tilts right. The remaining function engages the water spray. This is the furthest right button on the right stick. Water is an important part of this attachment. It helps to maintain and control dust while in use. This will conclude your basic functions for the McLaren cold planer. Go McLaren, go extreme.